maybe. It sat in my fridge for like 2 months.
That show is though.
Dude, you know how I made a pie one day? And I made pizzas on my stream?
That we need to see it.
Yeah.
The pie is still in my freezer. I just ate a slice the other day. It's like 2 months old now.
Oh, hell yeah.
It was really good frozen.
Though.
A pecan apple pie. Upside down pecan apple pie. Fucking slap.
Was it still good? It was
yeah,
still good?
It's still good.
Did
it's
I
good
tell you?
for
Yo,
like
hell
4
yeah.
months, I
Today
think.
while working because I had a moped.
Because
Oh
you had
my
a
God.
moped. Moped haters?
Yeah, moped haters. What the fuck?
Yeah, Assad, it's on, the people cake is on my Instagram.
I wanted to show you my fucking jalapeno bread, but I cannot
I was
find.
walking my moped. I
pretzels
had
are
just
on
left a
Instagram.
restaurant and this woman yells bicycle at me.
She that you have a moped.
Bicycle.
I have the slower type of moped and can lawfully drive my moped on bike roads. I was
Oh, she was
walking
mad
it.
you put it by
It
bicycles?
wasn't even on.
Fuck him, dude. Dude, even these onions are fucking my eyes. Like,
Okay, ignore the fact
So I
that I
started
think
it.
some of them are burned, but
And
they were
drove
still
away.
good.
wait, burned.
That oh yeah, now I remember though.
Wait, I didn't see.
So I just posted the Instagram link.
Oh.
Those were my pretzels. They don't look like pretzels, but they taste like pretzels. They were so
That
good.
you
dude.
showed us the cake plate.
Wait, let me
though.
see this. Oh, shit. The
cinnamon
cake plate? Yo,
sugar
Josh.
ones- Yeah, the cinnamon
Yo.
sugar one's burnt because I was supposed to put the cinnamon and sugar on later. I know,
My
I
eyes
know.
are getting... Yo.
That can
Wait, these are
follow
pretzels?
Rosie, though.
Yeah, the pretzels.
Those look crazy. They look more like,
Hi, Josh.
Yes, please.
those twisted bread things.
Yeah, they're like
Don't cry
twisted
to
bread,
me.
but like they were supposed to be like a mall pretzel. They tasted like a mall pretzel. It's just like they puffed up a lot more than I thought they would. They were fat, but they were so good.
Yo, Frank, dude. We're making, we're about to fry up the catfish.
Yeah, katsudan. Catfish udon. Catfish
Also,
dawn.
some dude tried to run me over with his car while I was making a
Oh, fuck
delivery.
that dude. Okay, turn on your oil.
Run you
Get it-
over.
Turn on your
Okay.
shallow oil to get it hot.
Other than that, the day was pretty good.
Hey, Kevin, Kate.
Should I use fucking...
Oh yeah, no, I forgot, lol. The Frankle Dang Catfish Dong.
Catfish dong. Dude,
Catfish dong.
every time my stove looks like pretty good and shiny, and it's like... It's about to
Okay,
get
I want-
fucked up, and I know it.
Aw, thank you. Yeah, follow me on Instagram, y'all. I'm gonna give myself that shout out because I need more Instagram
He
followers and
makes
Twitter
nice
followers.
stuff though.
Follow her.
Aw.
See, erupted.
I'll give my little bit of plug today. Why not?
You know what?
Yeah, while you're
is
at it,
RN.
follow me on Twitter too, dude.
Yeah, we didn't.
We
Twitter's
both
the
need
hardest
followers
place to
on
get
Oh
Twitter.
wait, no. Pancakes.
I never post on Twitter
not better
because
than camel
the
toe.
little bit of followers I have on there, if I post something, like people unfollow me.
Really?
See what you
Yeah.
chat.
No
I
way.
literally lose followers from posting on Twitter, dude.
No fucking way, dude. Really? Just post.
Yeah, because it's like people that I guess have followed me from like way long ago, and they don't like not even because of the stream type shit.
Oh, that makes sense. See, mine is like I only got like 38 followers. It's like nothing. My Twitter's my like. But then I've had people be like, "Oh, I knew you were streaming because you posted on Twitter," and I was like, "Well, fuck,
But
I
I
gotta
know
keep
that
posting."
feel though at Camelot.
I interact with other
Yeah,
streamers
dude.
on Twitter because other streamers on fucking Twitter, and it's like, holy shit.